Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you.
It's huge!
All I need, the very air I breathe you.
We made it. Took a morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. It's so bright. Okay, then.
Round it goes, and all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours. I found a way home. I found a way home. I found a way home.